Assalamualaikum viewers, hope so you will be fine. Today we will do about past perfect tense, and I will talk about here affirmative formula of past perfect tense. So the formula is subject, had, verb third form, then object, and at the last you have to insert full stop. Okay. But I forgot to say one thing. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and watch my videos fully. Before starting this video, this request is necessary to do. So that is why I have done so. So the formula is subject, had, verb third form, then object and full stop. Okay. The sound which is for past perfect tense, it is चुका था, चुकी थी and चुके थे. यानी कि the work which had been done in past, which had been completed in past hours, यानी कि जो कि माजी में काम मुकम्मल हो चुका है, जो हम माजी में किसी काम को जो है पाए तकमील तक पहुंचा चुके हैं. I have some examples for you, and these examples are in Urdu, which you have to convert in English according to this formula. Such as अहमद ने तुम्हारे तमाम खत पढ़ लिए थे. Alright? आप यहाँ देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ ना ही इनकार है और ना ही सवाल है, but this is a simple tense. This is a simple sentence. So according to this formula, I have to convert it. अहमद ने तुम्हारे तमाम खत पढ़ लिए थे. It means our subject is Ahmad. Then had has been used here as helping verb, like has, did, do, does, etc., etc. Ahmad. Then according to formula we have to apply here had. Ahmad had. ठीक है. खत पढ़ना, ठीक है. पढ़ना, अब देखें पढ़ लिए थे, इट मीन्स पढ़ना इज आर वर्ब. अहमद हैड read. The third form of read is read. अहमद had read. ऑब्जेक्ट क्या है अब? your or letter. your is an indirect object and letters is object. Ahmad had read your all letters. So this was first sentence. The second sentence is मैंने किचन साफ कर लिया था. I is subject here. Then as helping verb I have to apply here had. I had. साफ करने को what we say in English? Clean. I had clean. Then with clean we will insert E and D because this is the third form of the verb cleaned. I had cleaned kitchen. Okay, then full stop. हम कल खाना पका चुके थे. We is subject, then had. We had. ठीक है. पकाने को what we say in English? Cook. And the third form is cooked, ed. Cooked. We had cooked. Food. Food is object. वो कंप्यूटर के कोर्सेज मुकम्मल कर चुकी थी. Alright? अब देखें वो मुकम्मल कर चुकी थी. It means I am talking about a girl, about a woman. So I will use she as a subject. She has, sorry, not has but had. Has is present and had is past. Had is for past. She had completed. अब देखें complete is the verb first form and the third form of the complete is completed. She had completed. Then object is computer courses. then full stop. The fifth sentence is वो फंक्शन में गाना गा चुके थे. Okay, वो फंक्शन में गाना गा चुके थे. It means वो गा चुके थे. It means I am talking about more than one person. वो अब जो है दो लोग भी हो सकते हैं या दो से ज्यादा भी हो सकते हैं. But I have not written here names. It means I am talking about more than one person. So I will use here they as a subject. They, then had, they had. ठीक है. गाना, अब देखिए गाना इज ऑब्जेक्ट लेकिन गा चुके इट इज अ वर्ब. डोंट बी कंफ्यूज बिटवीन बोथ उर्दू वर्ड्स. गा चुके, गा हैज बीन यूज्ड हियर एज अ वर्ब एंड गाना इज अ ऑब्जेक्ट व्हिच मींस सॉन्ग. सो गाना गाने को क्या कहते हैं? सिंग. एंड द थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ सिंग इज संग. And the second form of sing is sang. Sing, sang, sang. Sing, sang, sung. And we have to apply here the third form of the verb. They had sung. So I will write here sung because here with past perfect tense I have to use here verb third form. They had sung a song. Alright. So these were five sentences. I will now convert them in negative. So I will not do anything. I will just erase this formula and just will add not. You can see here this is not the big difference between affirmative and negative. Verb third form, then object. ओके. अहमद ने तुम्हारे तमाम खत नहीं पढ़े थे. मैंने किचन साफ नहीं किया था. हम कल खाना पका चुके थे. हमने कल खाना नहीं पकाया था. You can see here the sentence structure. वो कंप्यूटर के कोर्सेज मुकम्मल कर चुकी है या उसने कंप्यूटर के कोर्सेज मुकम्मल नहीं किए हैं. So the sentence will be just little bit change, but not the big change will occur here. वो फंक्शन में गाना गा चुके थे. उन्होंने फंक्शन में गाना नहीं गाया था. आर यू नोटिसिंग द डिफरेंस? Okay, all right. I will erase these sentences and will make with negative the same sentences. You can see here, अहमद ने तुम्हारे तमाम खत नहीं पढ़े थे. Sentences, अहमद ने तुम्हारे खत नहीं पढ़े थे. Alright. So this is a negative sentence because here नहीं has been used here. नहीं यहाँ इस्तेमाल हुआ है, इसलिए हम कह सकते हैं कि ये negative sentence है. And how I will convert it in Urdu? In English. Ahmad is subject here. Then had has been used here as a helping verb. Ahmad had. ठीक है. Then not why I have used here not? Because this is a negative sentence. If it would be affirmative, as I have done earlier, so it would so not will not come here, because it's a negative. That is why I have applied here not. Ahmed had not read. Read is the third form of the read. Ahmed had not read. Your is an indirect object, and you can see my video which I have made on object. Ahmed had not read your letter. अहमद ने तुम्हारे खत नहीं पढ़े थे. Alright. The second sentence is, मैंने किचन साफ नहीं किया था. I am saying someone that I had not cleaned the kitchen. So I has been used here as a subject, then had, I had, then according to formula not, I had not. ठीक है. Verb third form is clean, cleaned, then third form is also clean. ठीक है. Second or third forms are same, and the first form is clean. Ed will not apply in first form of the verb, but in second and third we will apply here. We will write this cleaned. I had not cleaned the kitchen. Kitchen is object. हमने कल खाना नहीं पकाया था. So we used here as a subject. Had has been used here as a helping verb. We had not. ठीक है. Cooked. We had not cooked the food. हमने खाना नहीं पकाया था. Food has been used here as a object. उसने कंप्यूटर के कोर्सेज मुकम्मल नहीं किए थे. अब उसने कंप्यूटर के कोर्सेज मुकम्मल नहीं किए थे, इट मीन्स आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट अ मेल और अ फीमेल. इट इज़ ऑन योर डिस्क्रेशन. ये आपकी समाप्ति पर है कि आप यहाँ पर ही लगाएं या शी लगाएं, क्योंकि मैंने यहाँ पर वर्ड उस यूज़ किया है. सपोज दैट आई एम यूजिंग हेयर शी, के अगर मैं किसी लड़की की बात कर रही हूँ, सो आई विल से she had, because this is a past perfect. She had completed computer courses. उन्होंने फंक्शन में गाना नहीं गाया था. उन्होंने इट मीन्स दे. मैं बहुत सारे लोगों की बात कर रही हूँ, बट आई एम नॉट टेकिंग नेम ऑफ द पीपल. दे हैड नॉट sung song in the function. One mistake I have made, for which I am very sorry, because in affirmative sentence I did not write about function. I just said that कि उन्होंने गाना गाया था, they had sung the song, but I had to add the word in the function, which I had not made. So sorry for that mistake, but I am adding here. They had not sung a song in the function. All right. So apologize for my mistake here. So I have explained you affirmative and negative sentences of past perfect tense. I hope so you like my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and learn on daily basis, and watch my videos fully and hit the bell icon so as you may receive such kind of knowledgeable videos further. तो तब तक के लिए जुलियाना उस्मान को इजाज़त दीजिए. अल्लाह हाफिज़.